Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook Messenger switch account. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook Messenger switch account, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Messenger and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. When you will see this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.